He is the master of all frogs, and his name is Frogz, Master 595. Frogz, Master 595. Frogz, Master 595. Frogz, Master 595.
Hello everyone, this is Frogz Master 595. So, right now, I have the song up. Most of you have not seen this song because it doesn't have a lot of views. So, I'm going to show it now, and it's going to be amazing. Because for the version of this song, it's pretty good. Now, what version of this song is it? Well, it's a Jemmy song, and it's by Stingray Music. Karaoke, you know that? Yeah. Karaoke channel, Stingray Music. 2006. So, that seems pretty good, right? Maybe 2007 actually, but the official song was 2006 when it came out, but this may have been 2007, but I think it was still 2006. But we're gonna show it. Okay. It was a Jemmy Item song. It was in a Rodents. Not sure if it's really a rapping Rodents. I guess so, yeah. And then also in a Frogz. Well, yeah. In those two. I mean, the Frogz has not been discovered yet. With, you know, there's no video of it, but there is one picture. And, yeah. But, anyways, here's the song. Yeah. So you probably know of that rapping rodent that sings SOS and that high-pitched rodent voice. You know, yeah, that weird thing. And then also a Frogz. You know, the SOS Frogz, the picture of it, the dark green one. With the rainbow kind of dress and the black shorts, with the belt buckle that that belt thing that Push It has, and then it has the dark brown hair like Crazy in Love and Pondy Replay. Yeah, that frog, that's the SOS frog, and this is the SOS song. This is the official song. It's the official song, like actually the real totally one. Except it's actually not. This is the Stingray version, you can tell. You know, because of the thing. And most people in this community know about the Stingray music now. Pretty sure. And, well, I don't think there's much else to say here. But it's not the official. The official one sounds a little bit different. This one, the official one and this one actually sound kind of similar at points. Yeah. But this is like the actual Jemmy one. So this one was used in the rapping rodent in that mouse that sings SOS in that high pitched voice. I don't know if most of you have seen that one. I'm guessing you have. I mean, I think that video has a good amount of views, so I think most have seen it. But yeah, it's like official recording, which means this is also the SOS Frogz official recording. Obviously, because Jemmy would use the same SOS for both items. I mean, they would. They wouldn't use a totally new one. They would never do that. They've never done something similar to that. Unless if it's like 10 years later, of course, and, you know, they decide to use the song finally again. But, you know, I mean, this Frogz would have been out basically at the exact same time as that rapping rodent was. Maybe a few months before, maybe. But I'm thinking this is more of a later-ish Frogz. It is hip-hop, so it could be, you know, 2005, but I doubt that. Probably late 2006 or something like that. But SOS, Rescue Me. This is the one in the Frogz as well, because it's in the rapping rodents. If you high-pitch this one up and everything, make it perfect, this will sound exactly like what the rapping rodents is saying. So I'm just going to play it now. So You're about to hear what the SOS Frogz would sound like, because you know with Jemmy and the picture of the items, at least with Frogz, usually they always keep it really similar. At least like when these Stingray videos come out. Jemmy usually doesn't mess anything up with these. They usually keep these Stingray recordings. Not the official ones, don't think about those. Just with these Stingray recording ones, they will keep those the exact same for the Frogz. Obviously, they'll cut out parts of the song and just use certain, certain parts of it for the item, because the item can't have that long of a recording. But this is like the real one they'll use though, and they won't switch the pitch. So this really is what the SOS Frogz would sound like. It would sound exactly like this when I push play right now. So here we go. You're about to find out. This part's probably not in it. Doubt it. Because it wasn't in the Rapping Rodents. That part probably is. Alright, so that part right there is probably what's in the frog, because if you remember with the Rapping Rodents, with the parts of the song that Chemi put in that, obviously they would use the same parts of the song for the frog. Now I know there's the whole ketchup turtle thing, that some of them have those few extra seconds, but that's one item. That's one. I mean, if that frog really does exist out there, that SOS Frogz, it must have the same recording as the mouse does. Except, of course, this exact pitch. Because trust me, that frog would have this exact pitch. Because frogs don't have extremely high pitches. Well, I mean, Happy Birthday, but, that's a totally different thing. The Happy Birthday song is like a public domain or whatever it is. I don't know really much with that, but it's a weird, there's a difference with that, but all the other frogs have, they don't have high-pitched voices. So that part of the song is definitely 100%, that would be what would be in the SOS Frogz. Because this is Stingray, and Chemi does use Stingray. And again, this is proof that this would be for the frog, because, it's the same one for the rodent, just lower pitch, not in the high pitch. Yeah. But I guess I'll play this part again, so here we go. Okay. That part wouldn't be in the rodent, but or the frog, of course. But that's basically it. That is the part that would be in the Frogz for sure. The same part that the Rapping Rodent has. They wouldn't switch it up, and if they really did, I mean, they'd probably use a little bit more of the beginning or a little bit more of the end of the mouse's recording. That's all they would do. They wouldn't jump all the way down there and use something else. They would stick to whatever is around that part of the recording. Kind of like with the ketchup turtle, how some of them just have a few seconds more, so it's still with the ketchup turtle, it's around the same part of the song, of course. Well, with the ketchup turtle, I guess it's not, because they did use a different part of it, but they used the same chorus. So they actually might do that with this song. They might use a different part of the chorus for the frog. Or some of the Rapping Rodents might have the different choruses, but I don't know. That's a bit stretching it, I think, but I guess I'll play more of this.
Come and rescue me, 'cause you on my mind, it's got me losing it. I'm lost lost, you got me looking for the rest of me. Just testing me, but still I'm losing it. This time, please, someone come and rescue me. Cause you on my mind, it's got me losing it. I'm lost, you got me looking for the rest of me. Just testing me, but still I'm losing it. Just your presence and a second.
This part, no way would be in the recording though. No way. Be cool though, and the whole song is cool. Be cool if the Frog hit these parts of the recording though.
SOS, please someone help me. It's not healthy.
It'd be cool.
Why are you making this hard? You got me tossing and turning, can't sleep at night. This time, please someone come and rescue me. Cause you on my mind, it's got me losing it. I'm lost, you got me looking for the rest of me. Just testing me, but still I'm losing it. This time, please someone come and rescue me. Cause you on my mind, it's got me losing it. I'm lost, you got me looking for the rest of me. Just testing me, but still I'm losing it. Boy, you know you got me feeling abandoned. Boy, your love's in love with words unspoken. I said, boy, I'm telling you, you got me.
Yeah, who knows? The Frogz may have any part of the song, but definitely has this part. Definitely. If it didn't, I'd kill myself. No, I wouldn't, but let's go back there to hear one more time. Okay, but trust me, that chorus part would definitely be in the Frogz no matter what. And to be honest, I mean, most likely Jemmy would use the exact recording from the Rapping Rodent to put it in the Frog. That would be the easiest thing for them to do. So they'd probably do that. But this is the song, though. This is the exact recording that would be used in that SOS Frogz. No way can be another one. It's this one. Because it's the same one for the Rodent, it would be the same one for the Frog. Jemmy wouldn't completely use a different track of this song from someone else. They would use Stingrays. I know they would. They would do that. They wouldn't waste their time trying to find another song. Well, I mean, they may have been forced to choose another one if we really did think about it. No. This is definitely the one. So, there you go. You got to hear what it sounded like if you guys have not seen this song yet from Stingray. So, there you go. Shocked? I hope so. Sounds pretty cool song. Some could say it sounds a little bit better than the official one, but I mean, they're pretty similar, so it's probably about the same for me. But okay, peace.